What's up, guys? Welcome back to Boring Bread Gaming, and today we will be playing Build a Boat with my friend Donteathecutecat. I'm currently on the phone with him right now.
Hi.
Oh my gosh. Alright, so he will be joining in a little bit. On the meantime, I will be making a pretty dope boat.
Nope.
Yeah. Whoops, that's small. Just get that back. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's a good boat. Oof, alright. That's a pretty good boat, even though it's not.
Right?
Are you joining?
Yeah, I'm joining.
None? Alright, I can use these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Okay, he joined. Now we will join my... What is going on? This boat isn't making sense. Oh, wait, they're connected. Oh, that didn't make any sense for a second there. Alright.
What team are you?
Blue.
Okay, I'll do you.
Yay! Alright. I'll just press menu. Teams. I can just join your team.
No, because I want to be on Team Blue.
Alright, press blue and then you press change.
Yeah, I know. I played this whole time.
Alright, time to... You guys noticing my t-shirt. Made Dante...
Alright.
Oh, really? Alright. You should be on my team right now. I have 3 blue blocks. 1, 2, 3. There. I have 1 of these. Whatever this is. There. I have 3 fireworks. What does that mean? What do fireworks do?
Oh, fireworks? They're just fireworks.
Right, I'm gonna put some fireworks on my boat.
Who built this?
Huh?
Who built this?
Not me.
Then why is it right here?
I don't even know. Might have been the people that came before us.
Don't launch it.
You need to get on my boat. This is a pro boat.
No, I know how to build boats.
You can build your own pro boat.
I have 86 steel blocks.
Good luck. I'm gonna go.
Wait, no, because it'll launch everybody's.
Oh, well, I got my boat. I'm good. Oh, wait, I'm stuck in the chair.
I'll just drink this.
Ah, put a thing down.
Hold on 1 minute.
What?
Do you have any safety?
What?
Dude, why don't you have any safety?
What do you mean, safety? Is safety fun?
Yes.
Safety doesn't sound like fun.
Now what?
Alright, what are those? What are...
Stop.
Why do you have a giant crown chair? Why do you have a chest? And why am I stuck in this? Alright, I need to reset.
Why?
Oof, because I got stuck in the chair. Yeah. When will they add team kicking? LOL, outsmarted, Hinge. Oh, it's because I'm the leader of the team. That's why. Alright, now let me get in my chair. My high chair. Alright, launch. Yes. Meow, meow. Meow.
By the way, I'm going to be driving. You know how to drive, sir?
Yeah.
I'm going to build a boat next time and I'm going to drive, okay?
Okay. How do you activate the fireworks? Fireworks! Yay!
Don't hit anything. Why do you go so fast?
How do I go so fast? Ah! Oh, we just hit something. This is bad. We're dying. Even though we're not even close to dying. Meow. Skirt. Ah!
I swear, if you keep hitting stuff on my side.
Okay, I'll just make sure to do that.
Hey.
Ah! Oh my gosh, I'm hitting myself. Stop! Ah! We're upside down!
Ah.
Oh, wait. Did you just die?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. Oh, yeah, you did. Alright, you build the boat while I'm on this journey. Even though I'm dying right now. I'm not even facing the right way. What is going on? Help me! Oh, wait, there I am. Alright. Ah! Go, 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 go. Oh, now I'm in the mud. What? Oh, that's like a little hack. Time to hack. And go like this. I'm stuck. Help! Ah! So many music discs. Oh my gosh. I just got completely flipped right there. What am I doing? I'm about to die. Help! What is going on? Help! My boat is just drifting along, I guess. Ah! What is going on? Help my boat! Dante! What are you doing? Ah! I'm getting shot at. Make Joe Car noob. Alright, so this dude is joining our team.
No! Don't let anybody join.
Why?
I'm a monster.
Because you're a monster? Oh my gosh, I'm about to get hit with the hammer. I just got launched into the air. What is going on? I need to run. Run. Ah! Oh, I made it to the mushrooms. This one should be easy. Yeah, this one's easy. I don't know why this is like one of the final levels. This is like the easiest one. The mushrooms. Shrooms. You gotta say hi to the dude in the chat.
No.
He's on our team.
I know. I just don't want to say hi.
Why?
No! Get your stuff. Nobody wants wood for floor.
I had a wood for floor. Excuse you. Oh, I'm almost gonna get hit with the ninja star. Don't hit me. Okay. Oh no, I'm at like a nuclear power plant. How am I supposed to get through? Oh, so you have to break them? You have to break both of them? Ah! No, I'm dead. I just died. Well, I got pretty far. I got to the aliens. Ooh, 56. Thank you. Times 3 of those. That's pretty nice. Times 1. What do the chests even do?
They're just protection.
Alright, so we got this dude on our team. What's up? What's up? What's up, my dude? I'm saying what's up. I can talk to him. We recording. Yes. Alright, so let's check these. Oh, I could buy a rare, but that'd be like all my money. I'd buy 2 commons. Your subscriber. What? Your subscriber. What does that mean?
He subscribed to you.
Yay! He doesn't even know my channel.
It's probably because your name is like the same as your channel name.
Boring Bread Gaming. Alright, let's check my sub count. Even though this is not gonna load. Load! 27 subs. Same. Alright. He didn't sub yet. Boring Bread Gaming. Stop, I'm trying to build. No. Alright. I just stood there. Alright, I'm gonna open like a million commons. Get something. Ooh, I got a table. Ooh, I got a pyramid. What are you doing? What kind of chair is this? Ah! Oh, I almost fell. Alright. Time to just completely spend my money to get... Oh. Ooh. That wasn't worth it. Ooh, that was totally worth it. Alright. Dante, let me add my engine too.
No, I'm adding my engine.
I already added my engine. Can put some balloons.
No, I'm driving.
I'm not in the driver's seat. Two. 3. Put a balloon right there. Because honestly, why not?
Get out,
You just activated my balloon. Let's put your motor there. Launch. Launch the boat. Do as the man says. Launch the boat. Near. This boat's gonna be so OP.
Stop.
What are you doing? We're both trying to drive the boat. Can you tell us what are we doing? We gotta get off the grass.
Stop driving, whoever's driving.
Dude, it's me.
Oh.
What are you doing? I'm going back for you. Oh, you just died. Well, that's sad. Near. Oh my gosh. Oh, that guy just...
He messed up my boat.
Who did?
The kid.
That kid that's right there. Fireworks. What is the balloon gonna do?
Nothing. It's just decoration.
No, it's not. Bro, this guy's like controlling the boat. Yeah, he can control the boat. I'll just mess him up. Ha ha. Uh-oh. Oh, this is the easy one. Can we just beat the easy one? Alright, he can go through the easy one. What is he doing? He's not controlling. I'm crashing into the rocks. Help me, help. What is on top of me? Uh-oh. Not this one.
Asher.
What?
You just said what is on top of me?
Is that you? Ah! Our boat's getting flipped sideways. Please help. Please hold. Oh, no. That balloon does not help at all. This is not working. Help us. We're about to get to the mushroom level. Ah, I'm going to get nailed by a hammer. Oh, we lost a motor. Well, that's okay. Because I'm the only one that really needs to control the boat. Oh my gosh. Alright, finally, we don't get bumped around. Oh, we just lost our final motor. Well, looks like we're just aimlessly drifting now. Let's hope we don't die. Uh-oh. Alright, Dante, the cute cat. We got 2 minutes left. Did you even start the boats yet?
I'm making it.
Alright, because we're about to die, so that's that. But you're not launching the boat till we get there.
Yeah, I know.
Near. Ah! F. What does F do? Oh my gosh, we're gonna get hit by a ninja star. We can't do anything about it. Because we're just drifting. Castaways. We are castaways. Uh-oh. No. This dude is just chilling. Stop throwing us at it. Stop yeeting your spears at it. Stop it. No. Oh my gosh. Oh, goodness. I almost died. Uh-oh. This is the one that I died on last time. Let's hope we don't die, even though we're pretty much dead. Ah! No, he's dead! He's so dead! Dude, no! Oh my gosh, how did he survive? Not that it's a bad thing. But, okay, he's almost dead. Ah, yeah, he's so dead. We're so dead. Okay, no. Where'd he go? No, he's... Oh, we're both just standing. No, my boat! My beautiful boat! Where's my hair? Bro, I'm just standing on one block. Oh, where'd my hair go as well? I'm just standing on a one block right now, dude, hoping that it doesn't fall over. Oh no, I lost that block and I died. Ooh, that's bad. Boom! That was fire. That's scary. All right, I should be back. Ooh, we made it one step farther. That's 64 gold. That's pretty good. All right, how's your boat? It looks like the Titanic. Except what? Looks like a small Titanic. All right, I'm gonna drive. I'm a good drive. All right.
No, I'm driving.
Launch.
I'm driving. Get off that seat.
Okay, fine. Then you gotta sit there. All right.
I'm sitting on one of them.
Bye. Dude, get in the
Hi.
boat. Get in the
left
boat.
him.
Dude, get in the boat. Okay, good. Okay, good. Ooh, that was close.
Wait, is he flying?
Eh?
He's just flying across the map.
Who?
Look at.
Oh my gosh. He literally didn't even do anything, though. He made it to the end, but he just flew.
Sit down. What are you doing?
I'm driving the boat.
You're not.
Yeah, I am.
You don't have control. What do you mean?
I'm in the controller seat.
But you don't have control.
What? Then what's the point of being in the control seat?
I have control.
Alright, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Spam, spam, spam. Ah! This is not working. Plus, the video should have ended like a minute ago. Alright,
Really?
I'm gonna sacrifice myself at the end of the video. Okay, our boat's going pretty slow. Sub to Boring Bread Gaming. Boring Bread is life. Help! Boring Bread is life. Bye.